Alina Group is the largest Kazakhstani manufacturer and distributor of construction and finishing materials, founded in 1989. From raw materials mined at our own quarries, we create the best construction and finishing materials in the country. All products undergo a mandatory 5-level quality control system. In this film, we will talk about the most important aspects of Alina Group's mining operations. Today, the company has 7 own quarries for raw material extraction. Of the 7 quarries, 2 are gypsum quarries, 3 are marble quarries, and at 2, we mine sand. The total annual volume last year amounted to 500 to 15,000 tons. The extraction process is carried out using drilling and blasting operations for gypsum stone and at the marble quarries. Drilling and blasting operations are performed by drilling wells, placing explosives, and conducting controlled blasts. After this, the extracted stone is loaded onto dump trucks and sent to the factory. At Alina Group's marble stone quarries, there are special sorting complexes where we enrich the mined rock mass, extracting as much marble stone as possible. From our raw materials, dry construction mixes are produced at our factories. Marble is also used in the production of water-based paints. Currently, the total staff of Alina Holding is 67 people. These are those directly involved in extraction and management, the company's administrative resource, plus additional people from related structures who maintain the quarries. The total number is 112 people. The Alina Company has been in existence for 36 years. For more than 20 years, the company has had its own quarries. Fortunately, the quarries are located close to the factories, so logistics costs are not as high as for other companies. The quarries are within a radius of 100 kilometers from the factories. This allows us to significantly optimize the chain of continuous supply of raw materials for the production of dry construction mixes and paints. All drilling and blasting operations at the quarries are carried out in accordance with all environmental and technical specifications. The quarries have their own sanitary protection zones. They are located far from populated areas, and therefore, we have no problems with the local population. Our quarries have large reserves of raw materials. For example, at the Ushbulak quarry, which is located near Karatau, the volume of marble stone reserves is 5.5 million tons. The total reserves will last for 55 years. Alina Group has always put quality first. We evaluate the quality of marble by its whiteness and fineness of grinding. All extracted raw materials and manufactured products undergo a mandatory 5-level quality control. First, we do a primary analysis of samples from the quarries. After that, geologists assess the quarry's reserves. To do this, they drill at different depths and in different places with drilling rigs, and then provide samples to the laboratory. When we receive gypsum stone in our laboratories, we conduct an incoming inspection of the stone. We check it for grade, whiteness, and crystallization water. If the raw material passes this stage of quality control, it receives approval for further use in the production of gypsum binders or marble fillers. During the production of gypsum binders, the laboratory performs quality control of fractional compositions, gypsum grade, gypsum brand, and tests for setting time. If it is marble stone, we also determine the fractional composition of the marble and give a conclusion on what purposes this marble filler can be used for. This is the first of 5 levels of quality control. The second level is control of technological discipline. The third level is control of equipment cleanliness. And the third level, SIAC, likely meant 4th or 5th, is laboratory control of finished products. All manufactured products undergo an identity examination of the products manufactured at different branches. That is, we produce dry mixes at different branches, bring them to the laboratory in Almaty, and determine the identity of the manufactured products. Thus, the laboratory participates in quality control from quarry development to finished product output. Uniform internal standards are adhered to with high precision. The quality of raw materials and products is our reputation and responsibility to customers. Our dry construction mix plant in Taraz is provided with its own quarries. The plant in Taraz receives marble from Karatau. This is a modern, high-tech production facility where a single operator controls the entire process, from loading raw materials to packing the finished product into bags. The plant in Taraz is strategically important for us, as it houses 3 production lines: a dry construction mix plant, a gypsum binder plant, and a tongue-and-groove partition plant. All these plants are equipped with new European equipment from world-class manufacturers. They are all automated using the latest technologies. Currently, the company is making maximum efforts to automate the production process. The main production processes are already automated, and we are continuing to develop processes that can be automated in order to minimize manual labor and the human factor. Now let's see how the marble quarry works and lives. Alina Group's quarry in Karatau. Alina Group has very large raw material reserves and great potential for future development, even with an increase in production and sales volumes. Even if sales and production volumes increase, Alina Holdings quarries are ready to fully supply the factories with their own raw materials. We are proud of the quality of our products, made from our own raw materials.
Believe and win.